how are you? I hope you all are fine. In this video, we'll discuss about eukaryotic cell. Okay, in the previous video, we had already discussed about the prokaryotic cell and the that is the classification of cell on the basis of origin. Okay, first one is prokaryotic cell and second one is eukaryotic cell. Okay, so let's discuss about prokaryotic cell. Sorry, eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, the word eukaryotic also come from, or we can say taken from Greek word, okay, that is U plus karyon. The meaning of U is well, and it is same as karyon, that is nucleus. Okay, so I hope you understand that eukaryotic, it means well nucleus, those type of cell which having well nucleus. Okay, let's see some point related to eukaryotic cell, that in this type of cell, true or organized nucleus is present. It means in this type of cell, true nucleus or organized nucleus is present, but in the prokaryotic cell, it is absent. Okay, so the main we can say difference is this thing, that in eukaryotic cell having a organized nucleus and also having the organized organelle. Okay, but in the eukaryotic cell, organized nucleus are absent. In the place of a nucleus, there is a nucleoid is present. Okay, in this type of cell, organized organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosome, okay, so they all are present in which type of cell? In the eukaryotic cell. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is eukaryotic cell. Those type of cell which having the well nucleus are called eukaryotic cell, and in this type of cell, true nucleus and also the organized nucleus present, and having different kinds of organelle for the different function. Okay, and now I hope you understand about eukaryotic cell. Okay, let's move further. Now we will see about the difference between prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. Okay, on the basis of their different character. Okay, so let's see. will see about the difference between both of the cell, like prokaryotic cell, and the second one is eukaryotic cell. Okay. So first character is about first character, that is nuclear membrane. Okay. So in prokaryotic cell we all know that nucleus is absent. So obviously nuclear membrane is also absent, because in the place of nucleus in the prokaryotic cell there is nucleoid. Okay, so we can say that the nuclear membrane of prokaryotic cell is absent. Okay. But in eukaryotic cell, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन इज प्रेजेंट. यूकैरियोटिक सेल में न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन होता है और साथ ही साथ वेल न्यूक्लियस भी होता है. ओके, और इसमें एक और होता है डबल. And in this there is one more thing, that is and also having double envelope. Okay, double envelope system is also available in the eukaryotic cell. Okay, so I hope you understand about the character, that is about nuclear membrane, that in prokaryotic cell nuclear membrane is absent, but in eukaryotic cell nuclear membrane is also present. Nuclear membrane is present and also having double envelope. Okay. Second we have nucleus. Okay. So in prokaryotic cell, well organized nucleus is absent, but nucleus like nucleoid is present. When we talk about nucleus, so in prokaryotic cell well organized nucleus is absent, but the nucleus like nucleoid is present in prokaryotic cells. Okay, and in eukaryotic cell well organized nucleus is present with double nucleus is present and also having double membrane. Okay. Third one is cell organelle. When we talk about cell organelle, so membrane bounded cell organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body, absent. Okay. So in this type of cell it is absent, but in the eukaryotic cell, membrane bounded organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body, is present. Okay. So in the eukaryotic cell, this type of organelle is present, but in the prokaryotic cell, membrane bounded organelle like mitochondria, Golgi body are we can say absent. Okay. And after that ribosome. Okay. So in the ribosome is a protein factory. Okay. It synthesis the protein. Okay. Sorry. So in the prokaryotic cell, having a ribosome of ribosome. Is present. Okay. And also here this unit is called smaller unit and this unit is called larger unit. Okay. It is of 30s and it is of 50s. Okay. It is of 30s and it is of 50s. Okay. Okay. And in eukaryotic cell, ATS ribosome is present. Okay. And then this ribosome, as it is, this one is called smaller unit and this one is called larger unit, but the upper unit, that is smaller unit, is of 40 years and the larger unit is of 60 years. Okay. So it is the difference between on the basis of ribosome. Okay. And after that we having, now we will see the difference on the basis of cell wall. Okay. Fifth one, that is on the basis of cell wall. So in prokaryotic cell wall is present, okay. It is present and made of glycan or membranic acid. Okay. This type of in the prokaryotic cell wall are made up of peptidoglycan or membranic acid. Okay. So in prokaryotic cell wall is present but made up of peptidoglycan or we can say membranic acid. But in eukaryotic cell, it is present only in plant cell and made up of cellulose or chitin in fungi and hence okay. In the eukaryotic cell, only in plant cell, an eukaryotic cell having two types, plant cell and animal cell, okay. And in eukaryotic cell, only plant cell having the cell wall and that is made up of cellulose. In fungi, it is made up of chitin and hence cellulosic in nature, okay. After that, we having on the basis of flagella, okay. Flagella, okay. So it is present and made up of flagellin protein, okay. Flagella is present in prokaryotic cell but made up of flagellin protein, okay. And in animal cell, flagella are 11 in number unit made up of tubulin protein and arranged in 9+2 manner. We will discuss about flagella in the okay, in this chapter in detail. So till now you have to know about flagella only few terms like flagella are made up of tubulin protein in animal cell, sorry, in eukaryotic cell, okay, and it is 11 in number and arranged in the form of 9+2 manner, okay. And after that we will discuss about cell division, okay. type of in prokaryotic cell only amitosis process is occurs, okay. But in eukaryotic cell, both mitosis and meiosis occurs, okay. Mitosis, amitosis, meiosis, it is a process of division, okay. It is a process of cell division. We will discuss in the when we study about cell division, okay. We will discuss about amitosis, mitosis, and also about meiosis, okay. So I hope you understand all the things till here. And now we will discuss on the basis of vacuole, okay. So vacuole is a, we can say, it is stored wastage, okay. But in a prokaryotic cell it is absent. And but sometimes gas is present, okay. So in prokaryotic cell vacuole are absent, okay, but sometimes gas vacuole is present, okay. But in an eukaryotic cell it is present only in plant cell and stored metabolic wastage, okay. So in the eukaryotic cell it is present in the plant cell, but it is stored metabolic wastage, okay, which are not in use. It stores in the vacuole. In case of plant cell, okay, it is absent in the animal cell, okay. Now we will discuss about examples, okay. In prokaryotic cell it includes Monera group, okay. So let's see example. Monera like blue bacteria, cyanobacteria, and eukaryotic cell all animal or plant cells including human, okay. So in the example of eukaryotic cell is animal or plant cell including human, and in prokaryotic cell having blue bacteria, cyanobacteria, and also You can write here rickettsia, okay. Okay, rickettsia and also actinomycete. There are many examples of this cell, okay. So I hope you understand about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, okay. Also about the difference between this cell. That what is the difference between this cell? In this type of cell, simply organized things are not present, okay. That not having organized nucleus, and you can say also not having cell organ leaf, okay. There is also difference in the ribosome, like in the prokaryotic cell it having only 70S ribosome, but in eukaryotic cell it having 80S ribosome are present, okay. And on the basis of cell wall, it is made up of peptidoglycan, or we can say membranic acid. And in the eukaryotic cell, it is made up of cellulose. In fungi, it is made up of chitin, okay, and hence called cellulosic in nature. And when we talk about flagella, it is present, but it is made up of flagellin protein. And in in the eukaryotic cell, it is made up of tubulin protein, okay, but made up of tubulin protein and arranged in the 9+2 manner, okay. It is 11 in number also, number unit, okay. And when we talk about cell division, in the prokaryotic cell only A mitosis processes occur, and in the eukaryotic cell both mitosis and meiosis occur, okay. And lastly, that is about vacuole. That it is absent in prokaryotic cell, but sometimes gas vacuole is present for their use, okay. And in eukaryotic cells there is vacuole, but only in plant cell, and it is stored metabolic waste, that is not in use, it is stored in the vacuole, okay. In animal cells generally vacuole are absent, okay. If sometime present, it is very in a small size, okay. It is very in a small size. And the example of prokaryotic cell is all the Monera group, like Eubacteria, Cyanobacteria, Rickettsia, Actinomycete, okay. And in the eukaryotic cell, it having all animal and plant cell including human, okay. So I hope you understand about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, and in the next video we will discuss about eukaryotic cell, that is about plant cell and animal cell, okay. And also we will see about the difference between plant cell and the animal cell, okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.